Hi there, John Drew here. Just a very quick video. This is a question I've been asked quite a lot, and I needed to get back to a few people and let them know. So the question is, what is the minimum amount to get started arbitrage trading in L7 trade? As you'll probably know, some people are starting off about $500. However, that isn't the minimum amount. So the minimum amount, as we stand off today, and it's the 1st of September today in the UK, in US dollars, as the exchange rate is at present, the minimum amount is $26.57. So the second one is $39.79 up to $45.08, and $47.16 is the fourth minimum, as it were. So Bitcoin Gold at the moment is the minimum amount that you can use to get started trading within the L7 trade platform. So yeah, not a lot. Now bear in mind these three things really. You've got to check for the L7 trade update terms and conditions. You've got to obviously check for updated exchange rates and check the L7, click on wallets, then click on information, fees and limits, and have a look at their updated fees and limits, because all of those points could change over time. But as we stand at the moment, these are the minimum amounts to start doing your arbitrage trading within L7. So yeah, not a lot at all, considering that with my initial findings on this, you could quite easily double your initial amount within a month. So yeah, not a lot to start get traded. If you need any information, give me a shout. In this YouTube video comment section, there'll be a link to click on to join up to this arbitrage trading platform for free. And also, if you're watching this on one of my websites, there'll be a button below this video to click on. Yeah, join up for free and have a look around. If you've got any questions, give me a shout. God bless.